Hi, this is Andy from Shogun Page Builder, and in the next 90 seconds or so, I want to show you our brand new integration with Unsplash. For those that don't know, Unsplash is an amazing open source library of stock photography that's powered by independent creators everywhere. And we thought there'd be a great opportunity to incorporate Unsplash into Page Builder. In this example here, I've got two collections that I'm featuring at the top of my page. One is called Beach Vibes, the other Mountain Moments. I love the layout, but I think I need to add a really neat background image that adds some life and personality to each one of these collections. So when I click on the section here and go down to background image, I'm greeted with our uploader, and you'll see my media library is looking pretty empty, but good news for me, we've got a new integration with Unsplash. So by clicking on the Unsplash icon here, I'll be greeted with kind of a random assortment of images that we've chosen. But if I search for something like woman beach, I've got beautiful photos that show up here. I'm gonna choose this one. I click that to add it to my page, and in just a second, I've got my Beach Vibes photo. And now for Mountain Moments, let's go see if I can find a good mountain man photo. So how about Mountain Man? And you'll see I'm given all these amazing photos. I think I really like this one. This guy's doing a cool jump on top of a peak. So here I have it. Beach Vibes, Mountain Moments. If I go back to show you what it looked like before, I think you can tell the difference. And this is all due to our amazing integration with Unsplash. So thanks to them, and hope you guys enjoyed using this new functionality to build fantastic pages.